Hi, everyone. In this training, I will teach you how to use list views in Salesforce. So a list view is what you're looking at right now. It's a collection of records that is filtered within this view. If you click on the drop down next to recently viewed, you will see that there are a number of list views already created, but you can create new list views to look at specific information. So this is essentially just a report that is surfaced to you on every tab. So if I go to the lead tab, you can see I land on this recently viewed list view, but I can change the list view and then I'll see a different set of records because the list view has a different filter. So I'm going to go back to opportunities and we'll create a new list view. Over here at the gear icon, I can click new. And then from here, I will say open deals. Let's create a new open deals list view. Then you can control who sees it. I am going to keep this so only I can see it, but you can make it so that all users can see it, or you can choose to share it with certain roles. So for example, if I only wanted diligence approvals to see a view, I could make that distinction. So for now, I'll only share it with myself. I'll click save, and you will notice that a filters component popped up over here, and this is what drives what records are surfacing in this list view. So I will click on this, and you can see that right now I'm looking at only opportunities that I own, but you can also click on all opportunities. This My Teams opportunities is useful if you are using the manager field on the user record. So we aren't using that right now, so this won't be helpful necessarily, but please let me know if you want more information on that. So I will save it with all opportunities, not just mine. And then I can add another filter. So I know that I want to see all open deals. So I'm going to type in stage and it will bring me down to the stage field. And then I have an operator. So I know that if I said equals, I would have to select a lot of these fields, whereas if I chose not equal to, I only have to say I don't want to see deals that are equal to closed or deal lost, so only open deals here. Then I will click done. This is all I want to add for now, but if you do get a little more advanced here, you can add filter logic, so you can use and ors to decide what records are surfaced here. So I will save the filters and I can just close this out. Anytime I want to see the filter on a list view that I've created, you can just show or hide filters using this top button on the right. So now I want to decide what fields I am displaying. So I will click on my gear icon, go to select fields to display, and this is every single field available on the opportunity. I know there are a lot here, so I want to see deal type. So going to scroll down, let's pull over deal color and let's pull over deal type. So when I bring them into the box on the right, into my visible fields box, I can move fields around however I would like to, and then I can go ahead and click save. So here you will see that we now have a few new fields. Something you can do on list views is sort by any column. So you can click on any field to select whichever records that you want to see first. This may be helpful on something like your closing date field. And then another thing you can do is pin a list view. So if I pin a list view, I can navigate away from the view and then I can come back and it will be saved here. So one other feature that may be useful is I can actually turn this into a Kanban board. So you can see there are a few tabs here. This is showing me that the field that we're filtering on isn't populated in all cases, so it's showing me uncategorized deals here, but normally you'll only see one option. So I have standard deals here, and you can see that I can actually move these between stages as needed. I know we have a lot of automation in your org that moves stages automatically, but this, if you have 20 deals that are open, you can kind of see where those open deals are at any given time. You can also come over here and display it as a split view. So this will show me the first tab that I have open along with my opportunity list view over here on the left. And you can actually search this list view as well. And then to get back to your table, you just simply display it as a table. So there are a lot of options here, a lot of flexibility, and I hope that this helps. Thank you.